If all you have is a laptop, internet, and you are very good in organizing, then this is the job for you. This is a skill that you definitely do not need a lot of knowledge to understand, and it will literally take you 30 days for you to acquire the knowledge and be able to get started with this job. It is a skill that is making people a lot of money because business people are in demand for these people. Welcome to day 5 of learning a skill in 30 days, where I'm giving you a full series for the next 10 days on the skills you can be able to learn in 2025 that will make you money. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a girl, if you're someone who is looking for a way they can be able to make money in this 2025, then you need to be glued on this YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I'm here to release a series back to back that will help you and impact you in learning and investing in yourself and start making that money. So being a virtual assistant in 2025 is highly on demand, and so many business people are in need of virtual assistants, people who can help them in bookkeeping, in scheduling their calls, in scheduling their meetings, in scheduling their emails. The list is endless, and you can be able to be one of those people if you are willing to learn this skill. Virtual assistants are always good when it comes to organizing for business people, saving them time, making sure that everything runs smoothly for every business person, and this is something that every business person is in need of. So you are on high demand, and you can be able to be one of those virtual assistants. And how do you get started with this? By learning and acquiring the skills. So just being able to organize yourself is not enough. You need to be able to know tools like Asana, tools like Trello, Notion. How do I organize myself on this? How do I manage clients on a freelance basis? And you cannot just learn on your own with these things. You need to get courses, qualified people who have created courses that can actually help you and make work easier for you. And Coursera is a great platform. You literally can be able to get the best qualified lecturers who have created good courses for you and kickstart your journey with them. And you can get a 7-day free trial by using the link down here below. So go get started with them. When it comes to virtual assistant, it is one of the skills that is very highly on demand, but you need to be able to put yourself in the right posture, because so many people know that people are in need of virtual assistants. So people are learning, but you need to stand out. And when it comes to standing out, that is where point 2 comes in, by actually creating a personal brand, by documenting yourself on the process. You don't want to learn the skill and then come out of your cocoon and start telling people, this is who I am, this is what I've been doing. No, you want to bring people through the process. Day 1 of learning virtual assistant, this is what I learned in my virtual assistant class. These are the tools that virtual assistants use. These are the things, like, people learn and see you so much often that they actually trust you, and they actually know that this is the virtual assistant I need to go for. So building a personal brand on the online space is a must as a virtual assistant, or as anyone who needs to make money on the online space. The third thing is you need to have a portfolio. Like I said, you cannot be able to reach to people by just telling them I'm a virtual assistant. That is not enough. You need to have a portfolio, because anytime a client comes to you, they literally ask you, okay, you have been able to do this. Can I see a sample of the works that you have done? You don't want to be sending them photos on a random thing, or videos in a random way, or screenshotting things and then sending them to them on their WhatsApp. That is not etiquette. That is not professional. You need to be able to send them a sample of your work in an aligned way, and that is where portfolio comes in. You don't have to go through all the stress of creating and coming up with a portfolio. I have literally gone through all the hardship just to make you this portfolio. So you can get this sample of portfolio, add everything from the sample works you need to add, and literally send to your clients immediately. And this just goes for $1. Literally, you don't have to pay any more cents. So grab the link down here below and get started with your portfolio. When it comes to getting the clients, how do you go about it? The best way that so many people are doing, and I feel like it's good, it's on personal brand. But creating a personal brand can literally take a lot of time, because this is you trying to build trust with these people. This is you trying to tell people, and it may take months, or I don't know, even a year. So it literally can take a long time, but you can shorten it by reaching out to people through cold pitching. Reach out to people on LinkedIn, reach out to people on Instagram, on TikTok, where your clients are. Reach out to them and DM them, send them an email, write a good email to them. Don't just write anything and everything. Be clear, precise, and straight to the point. No one has the time to read a full paragraph like they're reading a novel. No, you need to be very clear, precise, and straight to the point, because people have life, people have things going on. You are not the center of attention. Okay, another thing is go to Fiverr, go to Upwork, start bidding to these people, start showcasing your work on Fiverr, and let people know that this is what you do. You can do both of them if you want to, you know, like they say, you don't put your egg in one basket. You want to be diverse, you want to diversify. So be in both. If you get a client on Fiverr, you get started with them. If you get a client on Upwork, you get started with them. And then schedule yourself, because I know that these jobs will come. I know that you'll get these clients. So I need you to schedule yourself and be very mindful, because you don't want to get so many clients, so overwhelmed that you just do shady work, and then just because you want to make the money. At the end of the day, you need to retain clients. If you can be able to manage 3 to 4 clients a month, it's okay. Don't be so greedy that you want to have as many clients so that you can make more money, and yet you are destroying a name for yourself. So be precise. If you can handle 2 clients, handle 2 clients, and make sure that your rates are great, so that you don't overwork yourself or underwork yourself and then get paid less money. You really want to be able to reach the targets and get the money you need to get. So you need to price yourself in a good way, and then you need to do a good job that you can retain your clients and get that money coming in. Because at the end of the day, like I said, we are here to make the mullahs, you're here to make the money. Yeah, so if you're a girlie who has found value in this video and you're like, Julie, thank you so much, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget, again, share to a friend, a family member, someone who you feel like they're in need of this video. Share to them, tell them. Sharing is caring, like my son always says. Again, if you feel like virtual assistant is not for me, check out the other videos. The link is down here below on this series, because we are here. I'm here to give you a back to back. I don't want anyone to be left behind in this 2025. We are here to make the money. We are here to invest in ourselves. We are here to learn. So let's learn all together, and let's grow all together. Mwah.